Today we got the Santa Fe. It's a 2023 model, and I want to see how long we can go without using our feet or hands to control the steering and the acceleration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the radar cruise control on. I'm going to set it at hold on one second, let's get this started. Right, there we go. So we have the radar cruise control on. It's currently set at 67 miles an hour. Now the steering assist is engaged, the other one's also engaged, the radar cruise control, and I'm going to take my hands off the steering wheel. Now let's see how long we can actually do this for. We'll ignore all the beeps, all the beeping and the bobbings and the warnings and everything else. Let's see if we can go a few miles like this. Now I know that the first service station is approximately 5 miles, and let me just bring up how many miles we're doing here. We started off, there is it, so we've done 1.6. Right, so we're starting from now, 1.6 miles. Right, there's a car in front that's going a bit slower than us, so I believe the car is going to slow down. I have no feet and no hands on the steering wheel, and we're going. Let's see what's going to happen. How long do you think we can go on like this for? I mean, today's technology is absolutely phenomenal. To be able to drive a car with everything that's going on around us without any hands or legs. Okay, it's beeping and it's telling me to keep hands on steering wheel. No thank you. Let's continue going and see what happens. Still beeping. This might be a little bit annoying to you guys listening, but this is an experimental video, and let's see what happens. Keep hands on steering wheel. Oh, LFA, lane following assist cancelled. Really? It's still going. The car's slowing down now because there's a car that's just pulled up in front of us, and it is now speeding up again. Right, we're coming up to the service station, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to continue going. I think so far we've done, what was it? It was 1.6 and now it's at 3 miles. So we've done 1.4 miles so far without using our hands or our feet. Let's continue going past the service station, and maybe we'll go to junction 5, which I think is approximately 10 miles from junction 1. It's still beeping, still telling me to keep my hands on the steering wheel. It's still keeping us in lane. This is phenomenal. It's been what, 2 miles already? The cars in front are going a little bit slower, so obviously it's pulled back our speed. We were on 67 miles an hour with a max at the maximum speed of 67. We're currently going around 56 or 57, so we are 10 miles an hour under the speed that we set it. Right, that white Prius just moved out the lane, so our car's now speeding up a little bit to get behind the black Nissan. It's currently latched onto the black Nissan. It's slowing down. It's keeping us away from the hard shoulder. It's detecting that we're getting close to the hard shoulder lane, and it keeps on swerving us away from it. This is brilliant. Right, we're coming to a nice curve, and there's going to be a break in the lane of the hard shoulder for the exit, and let's see if it still keeps us in lane. The hands are on standby. It's still going. It's turning. That's the service station where we're going to go to, but we'll continue going. We've only got 37 miles left to this tank, so it's a shame I cannot test it today, you know, on unlimited to see how far I can really go. But this is just a short time to see if it will go a few miles. And the answer is yes, it will take you a few miles. Yes, it will beep a little bit. I shouldn't say a little bit, it's beeping a lot, and it will do your head in. And I've already got a headache from this. But for experimental purposes, let's continue. Still beeping. I still have not put my hands on the steering wheel. I haven't put my feet on the pedal. We're currently at 4.8 miles, 4.9. We started at 1.6, so we're over 3 miles so far with no hands no feet, and the car is going. It's phenomenal. In the meantime, cars have come in front of us slower than us. The car has sped up when cars left the lane or sped up in front of us. When cars went faster, this car went faster. When the cars in front of us went slower, this car went slower. When the road curved to the left like it just did, the car turned to the left. It's kept us out of changing lanes from this left-hand side lane. Here comes a truck, and this feels extremely nerve-wracking. But you know what? It passed, it did it, and we're still going. This is phenomenal. How much longer is it gonna go for? Can we get to junction 5 without using our hands or our feet to drive this car? 2023 technology. Honestly, it doesn't have to beep. It's doing such a good job. What does it have to beep for? Automated driving is the future. It's possible, it works. As you can see, it's working on this car. Currently at 5.9 miles. I last touched the steering wheel at 1.6 miles. I think it was 1.6. Brilliant, it's still going. No hands, no feet, nothing. Wow, this is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. I've actually done a review on this car. I will post the review of this car at the end of this video so that you can watch it, so you don't have to leave this current video. So I will post the link at the end of this video so that you can watch the full review on this car. And let me tell you something, it's a brilliant car. All right, that's junction 4 we just passed. Car is still going. We're at 6.6 miles. We started at 1.6. We've just hit the 5 mile mark with no hands and no feet. If you think I should do a test on this to see how far, what is the furthest, can we go from London to Scotland without using our hands and our feet? Post in the comment section below. Tell me if you think I should do it, if I should try it out. You know what, I think I would be up for the challenge. That would be an interesting one. I'd have to make sure to bring some earplugs, because that beeping sound would do my nuts in. I wonder if there's a way how you can switch off the beeping. Any suggestions? Because automated driving is possible. It works. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna change lanes and see what happens. You ready? Right, put my indicator on. And it's changed lanes for me. It's realized I'm actually quite close. There we go. I just had to stop. 7.5 miles. And that was because I changed lanes. I should not have done that. But guys, what do you think? 7.5 miles this car went. 7.5 miles. That's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.